So the AirPods are probably one of my favorite products Apple has ever released. I've been using them for, when were they released? In 2016, I've been using them for over 2 years. It's been a great time. My experience with them has been insanely good. It's just, AirPods feel like they're from the future. Pure wireless headphones, you don't even need to connect them because they connect by themselves. Apple's here. I don't know why she's whining. Why are you crying? You okay? I feel like she doesn't like the AirPods. She's crying. Do you really want to be in the video or what? So throughout these 2 years, Apple, I'm serious. I'm filming. Can you please leave me alone? Just like give me 10 minutes, please. And I promise I'll play with you. So throughout these 2 years, I've experienced so many tips and tricks that I can share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. Did you know that you can actually customize the double tap on your AirPods? You can actually customize the left and the right. The only thing that you have to do is jump over to settings, go on Bluetooth, find your AirPods and click the eye icon over there. And that's pretty much it. You can customize the left to double tap, pause, and then you can also customize your right ear. The way that I have it set up is, since the AirPods already have automatic ear detection, whenever you remove an AirPod out of your ear, the music will stop. So having pause with the double tap setting is kind of lame. It's kind of pointless because you can just pause your music by getting an AirPod out of your ear. The way that I have it set up is having Siri on the left for easy access and having the next track on the right. So using Siri on the left and the next track on the right. It's super useful and I totally recommend it. My next tip is actually even more useful. Did you know that Siri can actually tell you who's calling you on your AirPods? And you don't even have to look at your watch to see who's calling you. You don't even have to look at your iPhone if you don't have an Apple Watch to see who's calling you. Whenever somebody's calling you, Siri can be like, Dad. It's great. Jump over to settings, phone, announce calls, and then headphones only. So whenever somebody's calling you and you're having headphones on, they don't really have to be AirPods. Your phone will actually, or your AirPods or Siri will actually tell you who's calling you. It's super useful. There's a bunch of ways to check the battery of your AirPods. One, you can ask Siri straight on the AirPods, Siri, what is my battery on my AirPods? And Siri will let you know straight on your ear. Second, on your iPhone, you can just check the widgets slating on the left on your iPhone. And also, swiping on the control center on the Apple Watch, if you tap on batteries, that will let you know as well the battery of your AirPods. Talking about battery, is there a way that you can save battery on your AirPods? Well, kind of. There's so many people, there's so many businessmen and of course businesswomen that just buy the AirPods just to call to people because of course, as you know, the AirPods have a microphone, right? Well, if you're one of those people, if you just buy the AirPods just to call to people, just wear one AirPods. And then when that battery runs out, you can wear the other one. That's just the tip that I'm gonna give you because there's a lot of people and I know some people that do that and it works really well. So that's the tip. Now I know it's annoying how we can't control the volume on our AirPods. We can't turn it up or turn it down. Like I wish we could just do like this or like this and it'd be super useful. But I guess we will have to wait for AirPods 2. There's 3 ways that I actually control the volume of my AirPods. First off, I showed you this on my Apple Watch tips and tricks video. You simply turn up or turn down. You simply swipe the digital crown up and down and it works. Like you don't even have to go to music. Just by swiping up the digital crown or swiping it down, that will actually control the volume on the music, which is of course connected to your AirPods. Second of all, you can just dig, like you don't even have to take your iPhone out. You can just dig the volume buttons. You can just tap on them straight from your jeans. I do that as well. Or sometimes I ask Siri, but it's kind of awkward to just go out on the street and be like, Siri, turn up the volume. I don't know. I do those 3. I usually just do it on my Apple Watch because it's just swiping up the digital crown. Also, did you know that you can actually change the name of your AirPods? Just jump over to the settings app, Bluetooth once again, and tap to the eye icon next to your AirPods, and there you go. Just change the name to whatever you want. So that's pretty much it for all the tips, all the tricks that I could share with you guys with my experience with the AirPods. Hopefully you guys found one useful. If you found one useful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below some other tips and tricks that I might not know. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome hoodies, some awesome t-shirts, and some awesome new products that I've added to the clothing line, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in our next one. By the way, there's only 1 freaking week for the Apple keynote. Can I get some hype in the comments? Let's go, baby!